Ooh, but there's a storm outside. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Masha and the bear. This is Bear's house. Wow, look, it comes with Bear and Masha. This is a portable playhouse. You can fold Bear's house out and reveal his living room. There's a toy chest and a refrigerator. There's a fireplace and so much more. I can't wait to get a closer look. There's so many different things in this set. Let's check out Bear's house first. There's a mailbox. And a window that opens. The door also opens too. I love how it looks like it's out of the center of a tree. Here on the back, you can see there is a water pail and a watering can. Let's open it up. Wow, this fold-out playset is really fun. Here we have a bread box. And there's space for lots of bread. Here we have the refrigerator. Wow, the refrigerator is full of wonderful food. Here we have a bookshelf and we have a wood-burning stove. Time to come inside. Look, it's Masha. Oh, she's so cute. She has folding legs so that she can sit down. We also have the bear. Hi, Misha. He can sit down too. He loves to sit down in his chair. And he fits really well on it. Maybe he would like to watch some TV. Look, it's a story about Masha and the bear. We have this nice little stove. It fits right here on the hot plate. We can warm up all sorts of things with this. We also have a pot that we can use to make food. We have 3 different kinds of bread that can go in the bread box. We also have a chest. This is a circus chest and it has all sorts of juggling supplies inside. This set is lots of fun. It's nighttime and Masha is sleeping and her dog is inside the house with her. Ooh, but there's a storm outside. Masha wakes up. She's scared. It's too dark. Ah! And she's scared of the thunder and lightning too. I want Bear. I'm gonna go to Bear. Come on, Dolly, let's go to Bear. Masha heads through the forest with her dog by her side. Oh, the storm, the lightning. Ah! Bear! Bear! Masha? Bear! Masha. Bear. Oh, it's okay, Masha. Come here. It's just a storm. Oh, scary. No, it's okay. Here, let me make you some tea. Stay there, Masha. Da da di da da di da da di da da di da di da di da di da di da. Nearly ready. Bear, lightning, scary. No, Masha. Picture, smile. No, scary. Okay. Tea. Yummy tea. And bread. Masha, come eat. Okay. Better? Good, but I'm scared. Ah! It's okay, Masha. I will do a play. Funny bear. Ah! Oh no, bear fell. Silly bear. Bear made Masha feel better and now she can go to sleep even though there's a storm outside. Thank you, Bear. And thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.